Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can download free games on your PC or laptop. See here, this is my new Lenovo laptop. Yesterday only I purchased this, so I just want to check the gaming performance on this laptop, and I don't have any subscriptions like Xbox subscription or Epic's game subscription or something like that. So see here, AMD Ryzen 5 5625U, which I did an unboxing video and I already uploaded here, and this has 16 GB RAM. And on this laptop I want to just test a game, means how well it is actually handling the game. In order to do that, now I need to install a free game. How you can install a free game? So I'm not visiting any websites or anything, just from the official Windows Store I'll be opening Windows Store only, and from here I'll be downloading a free game. So we'll see how you can download the free game and how you can test it. See here, at the left side menu, home, apps and gaming. So I'll be clicking on this gaming, and here you can just search as free games. Between I need to tell this, when I purchased this laptop I got 3 months Game Pass free subscription, means I can play a lot of premium games for free of cost if I get that Game Pass subscription for free. But I need to go to this library and I need to claim this, but right now I'm not going to claim. I'm just going to download a free game. Okay, I'll be just searching free games or top free games, anything, and here you will get some list here, and at the bottom or the top, see here, you will see the tag called free here. Roblox free, Asphalt Unite free, Asphalt 8, and this game, wherever you see this free, you need to just click on that particular game and you will see get here. Okay, you need to click on this get here, and it will show you the download. You're almost getting ready to play games on your PC. We need to install some gaming components. You need to do this. When you click on this, the download gets started. Once it is downloaded, you need to check in the download section here, and right now I'm just downloading one game to test, Asphalt 8 game. Okay, Airborne. It's almost downloaded. The total size of this game is 3.75 GB downloaded, and before downloading any game, first it will check the system requirements. So it will just scan the internal specifications of this laptop, and if it is okay, if that game can be played on this laptop, then the download gets started. So what I'll do is, once it is completely downloaded, I'll be playing that game. So if you feel this tutorial is informative, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful for others too. So anyway, I need to test the gaming performance on this laptop. That's why I choose this high end. This Asphalt 8 is one of the rich graphic game and heavy processing game only, because there will be, see here, if you can see the trailer here at the left side, this game is of rich graphics, lot of effects, animation effects, lot of rendering will be there. So lot of graphic work is there, and high graphics and rich graphics are there. So that's the reason I opted to choose this game. Let us check how well this laptop is performing while playing this game, and please do comment your questions if you do have any. Yeah, see here, the download is totally completed. Once you complete it, you can check in the download section, and here the library contains, all the games which you have downloaded here. So yeah, click on open here. So what I'll do is, I'll try to record the same in my mobile phone so that you can see the gameplay also. Yeah, so yeah. Top